Hello, this is me, Sam here for WoopaGaming. Sorry for the vast absence of videos, but I've been really busy. I just started a new job, and so that's pretty much taken up all my time, moving and whatnot. But hopefully I've got some time now to actually do some videos and get some videos up. So let's just crack on. So today's video we are going to be using Blackjack. So I'm going to be showing you how to use and install the plugin Blackjack for Bucket. Currently on Bucket 1.79 now, and this plugin is by PM. There's lots of underscores there. So anyway, let's just go on with the plugin. Nice and easy installation. Obviously just drag and drop it into your directory. You will require two other plugins: Image on Map, which will be used for displaying the cards, and Vault, which is for the money. So the first thing you want to do once you install this plugin is to hit BJ Setup. And what that will do, it will generate all the cards for the game. So the cards work on maps. So this is why you need the Image on Map plugin. And so every map, it generates an ID and puts the image of the card on it. So it's really cool because you can be able to see the actual cards that you have playing. And just it's a nice visual touch, I think. So that's what you have to do as soon as you start off. It's recommended not to create these cards when you're generating the world, because it does take a while and it will lag a bit. But hopefully it will be nice and quick. There we go. And you can see there it has the IDs of all the maps. And once that's done, we can create our Blackjack table. So let's just go over to an area we wish to create our Blackjack table. And let's have it here. And very simply, we're just going to type in BJ create. And that will create our Blackjack table, and it all becomes default like this. I will show you how to change the red wall and whatnot. But you can see this is what it looks like. Now I'm just going to show you a quick game first, and then I'll go over all the commands just so you get an idea of how to play it. So you can have 5 people playing at the same time. Just come along and right click a new game sign. There we go. And you'll get given the maps or the cards. So I've got 3 of clubs and a Queen of Hearts. So you can also see it here on the sign: C3 for clubs 3 and HQ for Hearts Queen. So I got 13. So I'm going to get a new card, and the way I get a new card is by right clicking on the card next to the villager. So you can see that's the back of a card. So I right click that. I got a 9, so I got bust. See also at the top here the dealer's cards. So at the moment it's just loading all the cards up, so the more we play, these will get quicker. So I'm going to play again just by right clicking. So now I've got, let's have a look, 3 of spades, 8 of diamonds, and now I'm going to do is double. So there we go, I got a king, I scored 21, and as a result I win. The dealer also went bust with an ace, 5, and well, I'm guessing that's an 8 or a 7. That's an 8 there. Okay, so that's how you play the game. Obviously it follows general Blackjack rules. You can split here as well. So let's just go over the play commands to begin with. So there's a few things a player can do to actually change what they do. So the first thing they can do is BJ help, and that's a really good way because it explains how to do it. So you right click on the sign next to him to get the card, you right click on the table to check, as it were, and you can double and whatnot, and you right click that. So that's really good and helpful. So now if we go to BJ help 2, we can see all the player commands, which is nice. So obviously the first command is BJ help, and the first one is the BJ join. So it's quite good because you can just do BJ join or just J, and that will teleport you to the nearest table, or the nearest free table that has spaces on it. Okay. The next one also, you can actually specifically name the tables, and I will show you that in a second. But if you want to teleport to a specific table, just type in BJ teleport, and we'll just say table 1 for now, and that will just teleport you to the required table that you specify, which is handy. When there's multiple tables, you can actually choose and what you want. So you also notice on the sign here I have a stake, and it says 10. Now that's how much I'm betting. So every time I play, I bet 10 down And if I win, I get 20 back. If I lose, then I don't get anything back. So to change the stake, and do BJ stake and then set the stake. So let's say 20 now. So now I've set that to 20. So when I do the next round, so right click that, I've got a 12, so let's just hit. There you go, I lost. So I lost 20 there. But if I was to win, then I would get 40 back, which is rather handy. So that's how you change the stake. What else have we got? We also have BJ is VIP, and then the player name, and you can tell them if they're a VIP or not. Now there is a cool feature with this plugin which allows you to create VIP tables, and I will show you that in the admin section. And only VIPs can go on these VIP tables. And the way to see all the list of VIPs is to do BJ VIPs. And currently, because I'm up, it just makes ops all VIP. But there is a list in the config file that allows you to name all your VIPs. And actually, there is a, I believe there is a permission as well. Yeah, there is a permission, blackjack.vip, that allows you to be a VIP. So you can just track that into your VIP group, and they'll be able to play on the VIP tables. And I believe that is all the player commands. Yeah. So now let's go over the admin commands. So you saw earlier the BG create, that just creates a default a table. But let's change it up a bit. Oh, one thing else I can do is BJ leave first. That'll leave the table. Or you can just walk away. So you can actually name the tables by doing BJ create and then a name. So say, I don't know, casino. And that will actually name the table, and you can see it there on the left, casino. Okay, so now if I was to use BJ teleport casino, it will teleport me to that specific table, which is good. What else can we do? We can also create VIP tables as well. So it's the same principle, BJ create VIP, and then you can name it as well, but let's just leave it blank for now, so it'll just be table 2 or table 3. And you can see it looks different as well. You've got black glass and some blue wall instead, so you can differentiate between the two tables. So this is a VIP, you can easily see there, all the VIP slots there. So that's how you would create a new VIP table. You can actually toggle VIP status, so this one here for instance, let's change casino to a VIP one. We do that by doing BJ toggle VIP and then the table name, so casino, and that will change it. It doesn't actually change the blocks as such, but you can see here on the signs it now has VIP in square brackets, so you can do that. Okay, one other thing we can do is BJ undo. So if we look at this one, we do BJ undo. That will remove the last made casino. So if you put it in the wrong place, you can just hit BJ undo and that will remove it for you. We can also delete by doing BJ delete, and that you just have to stand right here looking at the dealer, and I find that's the best way of deleting a table. So that deletes one. You can also do force delete as well, which is the same, just it forces it to be deleted if normal deletion fails. If for some reason it doesn't get rid of the signs or the bloke, but you can just butcher him, so that's no problem. Okay, so that's some brief overviews. Now let's show you a bit more of how to modify each blackjack table. So first of all, we're going to do the BJ set limit, and this sets the limit for the table. So this is the maximum a player can bet. So when I'm doing my stake, I change my stake to 20. The maximum bet on that table was 100, so I couldn't go any more than 100. But to actually change this limit, you can do BJ set limit and then set it to whatever you like. So let's say 2000. So I have to create one first. Let's just do that quick. So let's create one. And now let's do BJ set limit 2000. You can see here on the sign, the number here is the lowest amount, and the high number here is the higher amount. You can also put to 0 for no limit, and it no longer has a limit now, but it will keep that on the sign for some reason. You can also set the minimum, so that's the 10 there, to anything you like. So obviously, let's just say 100, and there you go. You can set that to 100. Okay, and that's cool. So that's how that works. We can also change the color of the table. So BJ color, and we can use color name or the color ID. Let's just use 1, and there you go. You can see the ID is now orange. So let's use 0. Oh. See, what happens is sometimes when you walk away, you have to really stand right up next to it for it to register. BJ2, now I have nice purple. You can see it's really easy to change the color of it. Let's just choose blue. There you go, change it to a nice blue. We can also set the block, and this will set the blocks, like the glass at the moment. So, oh wait, no, this is the table. So this is at the moment it's wool. We can actually change it to what we like. So I believe we have to use ID. Let's just set to stone for now. So you can use ID 1, it'll set that to stone. You can also use data as well. So 1 and then 2 to set the data, but obviously that won't do anything because it's stone. Let's just choose a random number, 54, 2, and that's a chest. Why did I do that? Let's just choose 4, 5. There we go, got some cobble now. We can see there you can change the actual table block by doing that. And to change the wool this time is the BJ set wool, and it works on the same principle, ID and then data. So again, let's just choose 2, 5, and there we go, we get grass blocks. Let's just try 3, 5. Must be 5, 5. There we go. There we go. So you actually see now the data is taking effect using that. So there's some nice wooden planks. So that's a really cool way of doing it. And so you've got the customizability there to change the block types. Okay. Finally, we just get a few other little commands, I guess, to clear things up. As BJ add VIP, and then the name, and now I'll add them to the VIP list. You can also remove them by doing BJ remove VIP and then the name. And that's a nice easy way of doing it because you don't have to go into configs and stuff. Is BJ in clear, and that will clear your inventory if you don't have essentials or whatnot. We have BJ restore all, and that will restore all the inventories of all the players if it's corrupted. So it will remove all the cards if they have any, and will give them their inventories back if required. We have BJ get card, and then the card. Now this works on the suit name and then the actual number. So for instance, the King of Hearts would be HK, and that will give you the King of Hearts. If I wanted a number card, for instance, like say diamonds, 3 of diamonds, I'll use D3, and that will get me the diamond card. If I just show it to you, there we go. That's a cool way. To get multiple ones, let's just use something else. So clubs, ace of clubs. You just type in the number here, 23, and that will give you 23 cards if you so desire, and then you can just chuck them around and whatnot. Anyway, so let's just see what other commands we got. I don't think there's too many. I think there's BJ reload. That's a good one because that will reload all the config, the VIP list, and everything. So if you're having problems, that's a good command to know. Finally, we have BJ clear data. That's the last command we're going to be doing. And then the Blackjack to ML has been deleted, and that will just remove all the information about the tables in your worlds. So yeah, that's how to do that. Okay, so I believe that is all. It's a really cool game. It works really nicely and works a charm. So let's just have another game. So I got Jack and the Queen, so he's got a king there. Well, I'm going to check it. So I got to hit the table, and there we go. I won. And we'll be 20. And if I go again, what have I got now? So I got a D Queen and a C2. Let's hit it. I got 16 now. Let's. What has he got there? 2. We might as well. There we go. I lost. Well, that's how that works. Okay then. So thank you very much for watching. Again, apologies for the absence of videos. I will try my best to do some videos and do something different. Let me know what you think. If you don't want Minecraft videos, it's been that long, then please let me know, and I'm gonna have a look at something else. I'll try and get Dan on board as well, so you can help out. And yeah, so thanks for watching. This has been me, Sam from WoopaGaming, signing out.